How to enable artists news on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable artists news on Deezer mobile. First then open Deezer, and here we'll find this settings icon here in the top corner, and then click notifications, and as you see here we'll find artists I like, and now all you need to do is just click on it. And as you see here, now just wait 2 days and it will be saved, and that's it. And that's how to enable artist news. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.